Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom stamp in PDF Adobe Acrobat. This is a fantastic feature if you frequently need to mark documents with personalized stamps, whether it's for approvals, branding, or adding official signatures to your PDFs. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF file where you want to add your custom stamp. This could be any document that requires your personal touch or official marking. Now look at the upper left toolbar and click on All Tools. This will expand your options and give you access to all the features Adobe Acrobat has to offer. From there, in the left sidebar, click on View More. This opens up additional tools that aren't immediately visible on the main interface. Look for the option that says Add a Stamp and click it. This is the starting point for creating and applying your custom stamp. Once you're in the stamp section, head over to the left panel and click on Custom Stamps. This is where you'll manage all your personalized stamps. From here, select Create. This action opens a new window where you can upload the image you want to use as your stamp. Click on Browse, which allows you to navigate through your computer files, browse to the location where your stamp image is saved, select the image you want to add, and then click Open. This uploads the image into Adobe Acrobat. After that, click OK to confirm your selection. At this point, the image is now ready to be categorized and saved as a stamp. Next, navigate to Category. You'll see a drop-down menu beside it. Click on this drop-down to see your options. For example, you might want to select Standard Business if your stamp is related to business use. Choose your preferred category, then click OK. This helps you organize your stamps so they're easy to find later. Now in the left panel, click on Stamp. Then navigate to Standard Business or whichever category you saved it under earlier. You should see the stamp you just uploaded listed there. Click on it to select it. Adobe might ask you to identify setup details. If you want, you can fill out the form with any additional information or simply click Complete to skip this step and move forward. With your stamp selected, you can now place it wherever you want on your PDF document. Simply click on the page and the stamp will appear. If you need to resize the stamp to fit your document better, click on the stamp and drag any of the corners. This allows you to adjust the size while maintaining the stamp's proportions. And there you have it. You've successfully created and applied a custom stamp in Adobe Acrobat. This tool is incredibly useful for streamlining your workflow and adding a professional touch to your documents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.